Make eye contact with the person near the bench. The other person is about to leave the bench. Stand in the green box and wait for your turn. Waiting for my turn makes me feel calm. Place the calm emotion robot in the center. Please have a seat here. Greet the person who gave up their seat. Choose a thankful response and place it in the center. Thank you. Have a great day. It is now your turn to sit on the bench. Look at the other person and wave hello. Well done. Make eye contact with the pedestrian coming from the opposite direction. Step back into the green box to avoid bumping into the other person on the narrow path. It feels good to let the other person go first. Place the kind emotion robot in the center.
Thank you for moving out of the way.
Give directions to the passerby. Choose a polite response that lets the other person go first and place it in the center. Have a great day. Have a great day. The other person thanks you and walks by. Make brief eye contact and wave. Well done. Make eye contact with the food truck staff member. After the person in front of you has left, please wait your turn for a moment inside the green box until the staff member is ready. There is no need to rush. Place the relaxed emotion robot in the center.
What would you like to eat?
It is your turn to order a snack. Choose the appropriate response and place it in the center. One snack, please. Your order is complete. Look at the staff member and wave to say thank you. Well done. Make eye contact with the person trying to cut in line.
Hello. I'm a little busy right now.
The other person cuts in line and greets you. Stay calm and raise your hand to return the greeting. I feel upset because the rules were not followed, but I stay calm. Place the calm emotion robot in the center.
Sorry for cutting in line.
Politely ask the person to wait in line. Choose a firm and polite response and place it in the center. We are waiting in line right now. The other person apologizes. Make eye contact and wave to finish the situation. Well done. Make eye contact with your friend on the swing. It is not your turn yet. Stay a safe distance from the swing and wait with both feet together inside the green box. I feel calm because I waited patiently. Place the calm emotion robot in the center.
Okay, now it's your turn to ride.
A friend gets off the swing and lets you go first. Choose one response to the thank you message. Look at your friend who made room for you and wave happily. Well done. There is trash on the ground. Pick it up. Do not litter. Throw the trash into the trash. I feel proud for following the park rules and protecting the environment. Place the happy emotion robot in the center. You're such a good friend who follows the rules. Someone praises you for following the rules. Choose a response saying you will continue to throw trash away properly. Look at the other person and wave to show your appreciation for the compliment. Well done. Make eye contact with the person walking toward you. Move into the green box on the right to avoid bumping into the other person. It feels good that both of you passed safely. Place the happy emotion robot in the center.
Thank you for moving out of the way.
Tell the other person to go first. Choose a polite response that lets the other person go first and place it in the center. Take your time and pass through safely. Make brief eye contact and wave. Well done. Make eye contact with the person filling a water bottle. Wait inside the green waiting box while keeping a safe distance from the person using the outdoor drinking fountain. I wait patiently for my turn. Place the calm emotion robot in the center. I'm sorry it took a little while. The person in front apologizes while filling their water bottle. Choose a response saying it is okay to take your time and place it in the center. I'm not in a hurry, so I have plenty of time. It is now your turn. Look at the other person and wave. Well done.